An independent panel of energy experts is recommending Tasmania's electricity market be opened up to full retail contestability. Their review has found a lack of competition is contributing to price hikes. It's also been revealed power prices could fall by up to 10% in future if changes are made to the way bills are calculated.
These are the experts hired to review Tasmania's energy industry. Their draft report calls for a raft of changes, including giving all Tasmanians a choice of power provider, which they believe would force prices down.
5 to 7% is a very common sort of number. In some cases, 10%.
The expert panel is highly critical of Hydro Tasmania's market dominance. It's recommended sweeping reforms of the wholesale and retail electricity markets to increase competition.
By the creation of up to 3 new businesses that compete in trading Hydro Tasmania's output.
It's quite clear unless you restructure the market at the bottom at the wholesale end, you're not going to be able to deliver those savings right through to the consumer.
I think that can be done by a very simple form of regulation rather than, as I've said, complex, costly and risky solutions.
Residential power prices have more than doubled in the past decade.
Full retail contestability is in the best interests of Tasmanian power consumers.
The review has also revealed future bills could drop by up to 10% if changes are made to the way they're calculated.
For an average household bill, that amounts to up to $240 a year.
Tasmania's 3 state-owned energy businesses have been criticised for spending $100 million on non-core activities outside the state since 2004. The report says the investments are to blame for poor dividend returns to government, a claim rejected by Hydro Tasmania.
Our consulting business, Ensura, that is operating profitably and operating successfully.
The panel has recommended the Tamar Valley Power Station be made more competitive and the government consider dividing and selling Aurora's retail business,
which could then be made available for sale to the retailers that operate elsewhere within the national market.
The government says it'll consider the panel's final report, which is due in March after further public hearings. Brad Markham, ABC News.